Good morning, everybody. I'm a new Droid user of about 2.5 months. Love the phone, works great, wonderful performance. This is an Android Incredible, or excuse me, Droid Incredible by HTC, running on the Verizon network. I'm here with my son, and we have decided to root this phone so we can get a little bit better performance. A lot of my reasoning behind that is that I'm just kind of sick and tired of a lot of the freeware or stocked software packages and apps that come with the phone. Really just turn off and on their own and do a lot of odd things, and it's just kind of obnoxious. So we've decided to install the appropriate drivers to allow the phone to communicate with our computer. We are running Windows 7 64-bit. We're going to be using the unrevoked 3, I guess it is, package for acquiring root access. So what we've done is we plugged it in, we've switched on the debugging option, which is going through settings, applications, and then enabling the debugging mode. We've also switched it to charge only as its connection method, and we recently visited another site. We'll post the link for, or excuse me, not another site, but another video on YouTube on how to do this, discussing how to install the appropriate drivers so that the computer can communicate with the phone in this way. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and just open up the folder or the install package for the root package. So we'll go ahead and run that. And hopefully now she'll communicate with the phone. Okay, Unrevoked is about to start. Please make sure you understand all the risks. I've done a fair amount of reading on this. I've backed up all of my information, or I've copied basically in the disk drive mode when I've plugged in my Incredible, copied everything onto my desktop here, so all my pictures, videos, photos, all of that information has been backed up, so we're hopefully in pretty good shape. This isn't the permanent method by Unrevoked. This is the painless root and reflash, and apparently you can revert to regular unrooted standards in case you need to take your phone in or something like that. So hopefully this is fairly safe. Unrevoked comes with no warranty, etc., etc. If you do not agree to these, unplug your device before pressing OK. So we're going to go ahead and say OK. So it's reading, rebooting. So we'll look at the phone, see what she does. I've also turned the phone on stay awake mode. That way it does not go to sleep or hinder any of the communication. So it's turned off. It looks like she's flashing now. And reading some information. The computer recognizes that it's plugged in again. You can kind of hear it unplugging and replugging back in. Let it keep doing its thing. You'll see a couple other things, I guess, here on the desktop saying that it's the Android bootloader interface, so information is being read by the software package, and now the phone is restarting. This is what it always looks like when it's booting back up. Hi, Jack. He's pleased with how things are going so far. Okay, so now it's being read as charge only, it looks like. Still starting up. If you're in the market for an Android phone, this seems to be a pretty good model for sales through Verizon. I'm not crazy about Verizon, but their coverage is good. And we were able to get this for free since we were up for a new contract, and Yeah, so you can't beat that, you know, free phone. Okay, looks like she's back online, and we will go ahead and unlock the screen. Will not show you my code. And it looks like it's initializing all of the apps that I had before, and we will go ahead with the test later to see what it looks like with root access. Okay, just to kind of wrap up where we left off with the rooting process, sorry my son was getting antsy and he really wanted to eat. So anyways, what I probably shouldn't have done earlier and what you should not do is log into the phone while it's doing that first initialization process with the root. It didn't mess anything up, but it does go through another rebooting process, and so just pay attention to the unrevoked program window here, and it'll tell you what it's doing right here. Right now it says it's done, recovery image, you know, what's been installed, and it's all good to go. So really that wasn't a very painful process at all. You just want to make sure you back up your information in case anything weird does happen. Make sure you have the right driver so that the phone can communicate with the computer. And now we'll explore the world of rooted apps and really get this phone under control and have a better experience with it. Not that it hasn't been good already. So thanks for watching, and good luck in your rooting endeavors.